Model, 2017 Citroen Dispatch Expert BlueHDi 120 Enterprise Factory Crew Cab Non-Runner. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 100,836. Engine, 1997 cc DW10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The engine spins over fast, timing belt has snapped, star struck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.